With bandits collecting VAT and installing their imams and local chiefs, we are literally heading to Kabul. Shehu Sani gives warning. Hello, my wonderful people. In the northern part of Nigeria today, as we speak, bandits are taking over. Why they say the southern governors must share the VAT that comes from their region. The north, the governors who are supposed to be collecting VAT to use for the development of their people are doing nothing about it, and bandits have taken over. These bandits are the very people Nigerians, even the House of Assembly has continued to call and say, you know what, they should ensure that they call them terrorists so that they can be dealt with and immediately, get rid of them. But Buhari's government and Buhari himself continue to drag his legs because he cannot do it. Reason being that if he does it, he would have given himself up. Okay, the foot soldiers that literally helped him to achieve some of his purpose, he would have given them up. So there was no point betraying them or calling them bandit, even though everybody is saying they should be called terrorists so that they can be dealt with. They said they are following procedures, but when it came to Mazil Nandi Kanu IPOB, there was no procedure followed. In case you are wondering what Kubo is what happened in Afghanistan, where we know that those people have come in now, and as soon as the American left, they have taken over the ranks of leadership, and we know what is going on there. Now, listen, my wonderful people, the bandits are now the one collecting value added tax VAT. Why they spend it and they now have money inflow and they are now in government. But in the south collect money and share to the north. Then the northern governors sit down lazily and after the federal government has collected the money, then they share the money to the north. You see what's going on in this country? Welcome, Nigerians. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. With bandits collecting VAT and installing their imams and local chiefs, we are literally heading for Kabul. Shehu Sani, he said this on his Twitter page while reacting to reports that bandits now collect value-added tax from farmers in the northwest state of the country. Ex-Nigerian Senator Shehu Sani is raising alarm about the bandits taking over the country, same way the Taliban forcefully took over Afghanistan government. He said this on his Twitter page while reacting to reports that bandits now collect value-added tax from farmers in the northwest states of the country. There have been claims by some northerners that bandits now collect VAT from them, from the farmers, and are installing their imams in some communities. The police have since not done anything to rectify this claim ongoing. Reacting to the rumor via his Twitter handle, Shehu Sani said bandits now collecting VAT, installing their own imam and their local chiefs, and the federal government doing nothing. Could this be movements straight to Afghanistan? So this is what is happening right now. We saw that as soon as the Americans left, we saw what happened next. As soon as the American left, you and I saw what happened next. So my people, now waiting they happen be this. Nigerians, they watch as the things unfold. People, please don't be silent, don't be quiet, and let us all speak together as one. Let's all speak together as one. The silence and the keeping quiet shows that we are not bothered. Things are fine. We are quite happy with what is going on. But I beg your pardon, nobody is happy and nobody is going to keep quiet and allow these things to happen. Listen, guys, we've got a job, we've got a business, and we've got something to do. And that is for every one of us to speak up and to speak out. These people, if we keep quiet before we know it, they will begin to do their own thing and pretend that all is well. Listen, Nigerians, what is going on is not acceptable. Is not acceptable, should never be in the first place, should never occur. Should never occur. What is going on is wrong. The federal government will not go there immediately and stop this. Rather, they are silent, they are quiet and pretending that nothing is happening. Listen, guys, hey, you'll be surprised and you'll be shocked what is happening. You'll be surprised. These things that are going on clearly shows to you Nigerians that is either the Buhari's government is enjoying what is happening, or they can't be bothered, or it's part of the plan. Exactly how to describe it, I cannot tell you. Because if Nigerian military truly, really, according to General Sani Abacha, wants to end this activity and this reign of banditry, it does not cost so much to end it. But if they are not ending it and they are silent and they are just merry-go-rounding with them, it is either because they are happy with it, they are okay with it, or something seriously is wrong. Okay, something is really wrong. Everybody wake up. Everybody understand what is happening. The things going on shows to every one of us that we are in a position or in a place where we have to take our destinies and our lives. And Nigeria, we have to rise up and, give a true statement to stop these things going on now. We all have to rise up. We all have to rise up. You see, what is happening right now shows that this country, there is something not right. And those in authority, sadly, seem not to be bothered by the influx of all these things going on. Buhari in particular has been advised over and over again, call them terrorists so that they can be dealt with and this matter can be ended. What he has cleverly done is to institute a program called the Repentant Bandits, all in a deceit, okay, to derail the people and to deceive the people so that he can have his way. So you see what is happening? Wake up, wake up, and wake up. There is something really not right here. There is something seriously not right here. Wake up, wake up, wake up. We all have to rise up from this current predicament that we are experiencing so that we can move forward. They cannot, this is not, whatever have happened there is in that country, not here. It cannot happen here. However, we all need to, we all need to stand up to it. We all need to really rise up and not pretend that it is not happening. We all really need to rise up and know that this is really happening. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.